Hey guys, Everett Whitinger here with Whitinger Works LLC. So today we are, we got a really big commercial job. We have about 79 windows. We're gonna be doing this break room area outside. They have tables and chairs, and so we're gonna be spraying those down, doing all the concrete. And then on the front of the building, we got a bunch of sidewalk that needs pretty heavy chemicals. So we're about to knock that out. All right, so we just laid down about a 4% mix of sodium hypochlorite with our surfactant. And yeah, we're gonna let this dwell for about 10 minutes, let all this mold and algae die out because there was a ton of it. This is our pre-treatment. It's gonna be sitting on that concrete for about 10 to 15 minutes to kill all that.